Welcome to WebStar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to use OpenCode CLI in VS Code. OpenCode is a free and open source AI coding agent that can plan and build apps for you by just taking simple instructions in plain English language. You can do vibe coding for free using it. So here is how you set it up with VS Code. Because we are going to use CLI, we need to have Node.js installed in PC. Search Node.js in Google and go to their official website. Click Get Node.js button and then click Windows Installer if you are using Windows. Install Node.js in PC. That will bring NPM. NPM is a package manager that will allow us to run commands in terminal. So after you have installed Node.js, open VS Code, click Terminal and select New Terminal. Type node space -v. If you see Node.js version, it means Node.js is installed and npm is also installed. Now we have to type an npm command. Go to this website, opencode.ai, and from here click npm. This is the command npm space I space -g space opencode-ai. It means install OpenCode AI CLI globally. So copy this command and go back to VS Code. Paste this command here, npm I-g opencode-ai. Hit enter and the OpenCode CLI will be installed. And after it's installed, let's verify it. OpenCode space -v and it shows version for the installed OpenCode CLI. Now let's open project folder inside VS Code. Close terminal. Click File, add folder to workspace. Navigate to the folder and press Add button. Now this is our folder, project folder. Once you have added the folder or opened project folder in VS Code, click Terminal and press New Terminal. That will open terminal in this location. And now we can use OpenCode CLI here. To initiate it, type OpenCode and hit enter. It will open OpenCode CLI interface inside VS Code terminal. Now we can give it instructions here where it says ask anything. So type or paste your prompt here. You can go with React.js based app with Tailwind CSS or even advanced, but I have kept it very simple. I'm creating a simple ToDoList app using vanilla JavaScript, jQuery and Twitter Bootstrap. Let's remove jQuery. After typing prompt, hit enter. OpenCode will generate files inside your project. As you can see, index.html was dropped here. Style.css file is dropped here. App.js is here. And that's it. Now it says open index.html in a browser to use it. So this is index.js file. And we have our styles file and the app.js file. And here's the app. If we open it, we see this. Let's add some tasks. And it is working. So what if we want to make changes to this app? To do that, go back to VS Code, click Terminal, New Terminal, type OpenCode, describe your changes here. So describe your changes and hit enter. And the app is updated. Let's see. And there you go. But I don't like this gray color either. So let's make further changes. Let's see. Perfect. Now I have spotted another bug. If I click completed, the buttons disappear. So let's fix it. All right. Active completed. So now we can see these buttons. So we have created a simple app that is working fine. We have fixed some issues. We have also updated the app and it is working great. So this is how you can install OpenCode CLI in VS Code and create apps. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.